everybody, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it is time to share with you guys what we are getting for coupons. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different inserts, so some of you guys might have to order inserts or other coupons from various websites. I will be going on vacation next week and I will be showing you guys how I get my coupons, so stay tuned for that video. But I'm just going to dig in and share with you guys what coupons will be coming out on June 3rd, 2018. I usually just Google coupon inserts for whatever date they come out, and these are the websites that pop up. So this is the hot coupon world. I've gone through them a couple times, so let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what is coming out. So we got $1.50 off of one Airwick, $1 off of one, $1.50 off of one Airwick. We're getting AmaPay, 10 off of one, 5 off of one. Band deodorant, $1.50 off of one or $1 off of two. Cheerios, 75 cents off of two. I really do not find that a great deal. Clairol is going to be buy one, get one free. And then the other Clairol is 3 for off one. We're getting Claritin, Colgate, $1 off of one, $1 off of one, $1 off of one. Then there's going to be CoverGirl for $2 off of one, $2 off of one, 3 off of one, 3 off of one. And then we got Cortisone, Depends, 5 off of 2, Duracell, Ensure, General Mills, 75 cents off of 2. Again, not the greatest coupons. Finish, we're getting 75 cents off of 1. Those are the dishwasher products. Florida Crystals, Gold Bond. Here we're getting $3 off of 2 of the Garnier Fructis. I'm really hoping some great deals with shampoo and conditioner. I haven't seen any for a while. But again, Gold Bond, Gold Bond, Gold Bond. They are going Gold Bond crazy for Gold Bond. Here we got $1.50 off of Green Mountain Coffee, $1 off of one Icy Hot, Natural, I'm not sure exactly what those are, Nature Valley, Poise, $5 off of 2, Rachel Ray, Sally Hansen, we're getting $1 off of one Insta-Dry or Nail Care products. Schick Razors, 5 off of 1, or $1 off of 1, or $3 off of 1. Smart Relief, Teddy Graham, 75 cents off of 2. Tully's, looks like coffee. Valley Fresh, Veet, which is a wax thing. Welch's, and that was the Smart Source. Now here is the Red Plum. We're getting $1 off of 1. Advil, 2 off of 1. Lots of Advil. We're getting more all coupons, $1 off of 1. Or we're getting an all/snuggle, which is $2 off of 2. Angel Soft, 50 cents off of 1, $1 off of 1. Azio, Band-Aids, more Band-Aids coupons. Now, I also want to say, I heard this is a rumor, I am not sure, but the Band-Aid first aid area at Walgreens might continue, but I will find out for you guys. I'm going to try to get an early ad and post that later tonight or tomorrow. Garnier Skin Active, $2 off of 1. Neosporin, Newman's Own, Perrier, Renews It, 75 cents off of 1, 2 off of 2. Buy 3, get 1 free. Schwarzkopf, 3 off of 1 and 4 off of 2. And then we're also getting the P&G. So these are what is going to be in the P&G. We got Always, $1 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 3 off of 1. Bounty, 25 cents off of 1 or 50 cents off of 1. Braun, looks like it's a trimmer, 5 off of 1. Charmin, 25 cents off of 1. Crest Toothpaste, $1 off of 1. Crest Mouthwash, $1 off of 1. Gillette, 3 off of 1. Gillette, 2 off of 1. And Gillette Deodorant, 1 off of 1. We're getting some Head & Shoulders coupons, which I haven't seen any good deals in a while. Herbal Essence, 4 off of 2. Love's, $1.50 off of 1. I usually buy Love's at Walmart. Those are the best prices to get Love's diapers if you guys really need diapers. Olay, $1 off of 1 of the body wash and bar soap. Old Spice, $1 off of 2. Not the greatest. Another Stylin' 1, 1 off of 1. Oral-B. Pampers, 3 off of 2. Swim diapers, 2 off of 1. Easy Ups, we're going to get a 4 off of 1. That is a great coupon. So we got that. Pantene, 5 off of 3, 2 off of 2, $1 off of 1, 1 off 1. Pepto-Bismol, Prilosec, Puffs Tissues, 25 cents off of 1. Secret Deodorant, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 2. Swiffer, hold on honey. Tampax, 1 off of 1. Venus, 5 off of 1. Ben, hold on honey. ZQuil, Tide, 2 off of 1, Downy. I never get those coupons, so hopefully you guys can get some. Draft, $2 off of 1. Okay, sorry, my kid pushed play on YouTube, but that was all that's coming out in this Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please look in to see what kind of inserts you guys want. Again, I found this off of Hot Coupon World, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.